Good morning all of you. Now in continuation with the same chapter, role of the parliament. Today we will do the remaining question answers. We have already done the short answers. Now we have to mark the long answers. Okay. So first question is, explain the role of the parliament in brief. You have your pencils ready with you? Alright. So turn to page 3 of your chapter, page 3. First column. You get the pink point here. First, to select the national government. Got it? Alright, so mark from there. Mark from number 1. From there you will write. Number 1, to select the national government. Then continue. The most important function of the parliament is to select the national or union government. Mark till government. Leave 6 lines and come down. Leave 6 lines and come down. There you will get the leader of the majority party. Got that line? Okay, so mark from there, the leader of the majority party is invited by the president to form the government. Mark till government. Then come to the second column. You have the second point here, to control, guide and inform the government. Got it? Okay, mark the whole thing under it. Perhaps the most vital function of the parliament till any matter without fear. Any matter without fear. Mark this. And then come to the next page. You have the third point there, law making. The parliament makes laws for the entire country. It is the primary function of the parliament. Mark that also. Done all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the last question here. Why do you think the nationalist movement supported the idea that all adults have a right to vote? For this, come to page 1 of your chapter. Page 1 of your chapter. The first column, the last paragraph. Page 1 of your chapter, first column, last paragraph from the first line. The struggle and sacrifice by the masses. Got that line? Okay. And mark this till the end of this paragraph, that is, have the right to vote. Have the right to vote. Mark till there. Marked? Alright. So, now we have done all the question answers, the exercises, question answers. You do in your fair copies, and exercises you can complete in your books. Now, I told you that I will be giving you some dates also. I know I have already given you for the second chapter. Now, there were so many. Right now, I will give you 10 dates, important ones. Okay? So, get a copy. You can write it in your history copies itself. Or if you want to write, you can write at the place which is given here, but don't write in the civic section, otherwise you will forget. So it is better that you write in the history copy. Get a copy and a pen. Tell me when you are ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. So these are the important dates. The first one, HW H.W. Voysey, 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 it is a name. H.W. Voysey made the map of the Hyderabad region. Made the map of the Hyderabad region. Date is 1821. 1821. Okay, next. The 15th National Census. The 15th National Census, CENSUS, census was held. The 15th National Census was held. Okay, so the year is 2011, 2011. The 15th National Census, CENSUS, the 15th National Census was held. And the year is 2011, 2011. Written, all of you? First one? Who is saying the first one? Yes, come on. Have you written? Please repeat. HW Voysey, 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 HW Voysey made the map of the Hyderabad region. Made the map of the Hyderabad region. The year was 1821. 1821. The second was the 15th National Census was held 2011. Now third, the first English factory, the first English, E will be capital, the first English factory in Bengal was established. The first English factory in Bengal was established at Hooghly, Hugli. The first English factory in Bengal was established at Hooghly, and the year is 1651. 1651. Next, Warren Hastings, Warren, 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 Hastings, HASTINGS. Warren Hastings became the Governor General. Warren Hastings became the Governor General. And the year is 1772. 1772. Next, Lord Wellesley. Lord Wellesley, L will be capital and W also. Wellesley, WELLESLEY, WELLESLEY. Lord Wellesley signed 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 the subsidiary treaty, subsidiary, SUBSIDIARY, subsidiary treaty with the Nizam of Hyderabad. N will be capital Nizam, N will be capital NIZAM, with the Nizam of Hyderabad. 1798. Lord Wellesley signed the subsidiary treaty with the Nizam of Hyderabad. 1798. Next, the first ever census, CENSUS, the first ever census held in India. The first ever census held in India. 1871. 1871. Written?
Yes.
All right. Next, the revolt of 1857 began. The revolt of 1857 began. The revolt of 1857 began on, add on also. The revolt of 1857 began on what date? Yes, class 8B. When did the rebellion of 1857 began? Which date? Anyone knows? Complete silence. Right, 10th May. 10th May. Okay, next. The Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey was fought. The battle, B will be capital, Battle of Plassey, Plassey. The Battle of Plassey was fought. (1757). 1757. Next, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was defeated. RLB, all will be capital. Rani Lakshmi Bai was defeated. Okay, right? June 1858. June 1858. And the last year, Tipu Sultan was killed. Tipu Sultan was killed. Tipu Sultan was killed May 1799. May 1799. Written, all of you? All right. Any confusion regarding any of the dates? 10 I have given you now. All right. So prepare these dates also and the question answers, the exercises, everything. And now your course for your social studies, I mean history civics, is complete now. So complete your pending work, send your work to me, and start learning now. Start preparing. There are still many who have not shown any work. I know most of you who are in class today, you have sent your work, but there are some, there are your friends who have still not sent. Pass the message to them also that all the work has to be with me. All right? They need to show me the work. Is that understood, all of you? Okay. So that would be all for today.